All right. It's been a while. It has been a while. Couple months later, couple payouts later, couple blown accounts later. This is the return. Market opens in about 40 seconds. And yeah, we're just gonna trade it. It's a Friday today. So November 7th. So we're gonna see how today goes. But yeah, boys, this is the return. I'm doing a challenge. It's called 111. Okay, basically what this means, well, four ones, but it's gonna last for 111 days. Basically, the challenge is as follows: one trade per day, one setup, uh, one micro, which is small size you can trade, and then 1 hour per day. So trade from 9:30 to 10:30. That's my area of execution. Market just opened. Um, one micro, one setup. You guys, if you don't know my setup, you will. And yeah, bro, this is the return. The return of flock trades. So let's lock in. All right, so if we look at the 4 hour, we have SMT in play. What I want to do is I want to play reversal like longs. I want to play. I think we're gonna reverse. We have like been coming down crazy, these past couple of days. So SMT in play. I think this SMT can cause us to have some sort of reversal. And if the SMT doesn't hold at this low, I think it definitely will on this low. So let's just be patient, see what the market gives us, and go from there. I definitely think we'll have some sort of reaction off consequent encroachment of um consequent encroachment just means the halfway point, but I think we will have some sort of reaction once price reaches this level right here. Nice little yogurt bowl. Honestly, I'd be very, very surprised if we close above this level right here, just because we have liquidity resting below. And if we make a reversal now, this low wouldn't even have gotten taken. So I think we continue lower before we see a reversal. got some shit in my teeth, bro. Bro, what the fuck is in my teeth? There we go. Got it out. All right, we're about to hit consequent encroachment of that low on ES. I don't know. I really don't like how this is moving, to be honest with you. Obviously, we have the SMT. I mean, shit, if we close above here before pushing lower, I'd be willing to take this. Oops. Super size. We'll see what happens. I think we'll dump pretty fast these next 30 points down to this level. I like this momentum on ES and NQ. All right, boom. Now, all we're waiting for is our model to play out on the 15-second. So, as of right now, we have to close above here, or we have to form more structure, and then I need a inverse for value gap plus a change in the state. Inverse for value gap is just when one of these boxes, there's no wicks covering the body. So this is a fair value gap. Inverse fair value gap would be when we close above this, forming another one. And then if we look at ES is about to take this low. So I like that because that means that this low is probably invalidated. So we're probably gonna come down and take this. Yep. Super trim. So hold on. Hold on. Let's be patient. And this low is about to get invalidated. We gotta be patient though because I don't know, lately we have like been stopping right before we take liquidity, so oh, ES took the low. All right, now we can move this SMT to down here because ES is taking it now. So that's trim. That's super trim. Yep. Okay. New SMT in. We'll probably see if we close above here, we'll definitely see some sort of reversal. This is kind of a big stop, so I'm gonna just be patient. Still haven't taken that first low on NQ yet. By the way, guys, like I said, I'm really following my rules like completely to a T. Like my daily loss limit is only 100, so I can lose 50 points in a day. Maximum trades is one per day. I'm not trading NQ. I'm not trading ES. I'm only trading micros, not minis. Fuck minis. All right, I really am liking how this is looking. We have the SMT at the bottom. Um, yeah, I mean, whenever we want to, reverse, price will tell us. Yeah, so this SMT looks pretty good. Let's see if we have any fair value gaps to play to the left of us. No, not really. We do have a small imbalance right here, though. Okay. All right, so we'll be risking about $62 on this trade. Um, yeah, let's see. If this closes above here, I'm gonna place my limit order, and then we will be in. Oh, let's see. Secrets and this love that I can't hide. I really like how this looks. Really like how this looks. But hey, gotta wait for confirmation though. Gotta wait for confirmation. Because if this doesn't close above it, there'll be no point to me entering because that's the whole, purpose of my model. My model is gonna tell me when to enter. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and place my entry. Um, I really like this. I really like the way it looks. Risking 23 points. We'll target up here. Now we just wait for our entry. We're risking about $50 on this trade per account. Just waiting for my entry now. Stop loss in place. All right. See what happens.
Order filled.
Be there, so love me when I'm gone. And we will place our TP right here. Okay. As soon as we close above here, I'm going. Okay. Oh, this is moving very nicely. Yeah, I'm going break even. Very close to hitting TP. Let's see if it hits. I'm here. Have me when I'm gone.
Order filled.
Alrighty, there we go. All right, winning trade for the day, boys. I'm gonna explain my model, why I took this, and let me just show the execution. It's like, bro, like when you follow your model, bro, like you're not gonna fuck up, bro. You're not gonna make these stupid ass errors. And I don't know, like I'm happy. I'm very, very happy with the way this trade played out. You know, we got filled right here. We waited for confirmation to the tick. We entered on the first inverse fair value gap, which was right here. Let me go back to the 15 second. Yeah, so we formed that inverse fair value gap. I mean, we formed the fair value gap with the black candle, the downward candle, right here, and then we got an inverse fair value gap, right? This becomes inverse fair value gap. So I placed my entry right there with my stop at the low. I was targeting 1 to 2, and yeah, bro, this shit hit. So I'm gonna take a screenshot. I'm gonna journal this. Well, I'm probably should I journal it? Nah, nah, I won't journal it. Fuck that. The video is the journal. So yeah, so the reason we took this is because if we look at this low on NQ, it did not get taken, right? And then if we look on ES, this shit got taken. So, so that leads me to believe that at some point soon, once my entry model forms, we're gonna, we're gonna have some type of reversal, we're gonna make a move upward. And yeah, guys, I mean, I don't really know how much better to explain it. We're up 100. Yeah, nice day. Um, take another bite. Some yogurt. I think I'm gonna go to the gym, like right now. Let me ask my boy if he wants to go to the gym. Well, one thing I can guarantee you guys is that you guys are definitely not like dead ass, bro. Like on everything, you guys are not gonna see me break my motto within this challenge, bro. Because I'm like traders will talk about like you don't actually like start following your rules until you have something so bad just happen to you, bro, that you're just like, what the fuck, bro? Like, let me just chill, let me stop and let me get back to the basics and let me start following my rules and let me do all the things that a profitable trader actually does so that I can embody that, right? And for me personally, bro, like, bro, there's been so many times where I've passed five accounts at once, bro. And fucking, let me just show you guys, bro. Like, yeah, like, I, I can't even really, like, like, I mean, I'm not embarrassed, but, like, it hurts, bro. Like, my first day on these accounts, bro. My first day, right? We kept it slow, small loss, right? 150 loss. Second day, bro, that first loss, like after that, it's just like my mind like turns into a gambler's mindset, bro. And that shit is just like so bad. Like it's just so bad, bro. And yeah, that's why I started this challenge. Yesterday we took 1L. These accounts, I traded again. But yeah, bro, like I knew, bro, that if I don't change something soon, bro, it's gonna be a vicious cycle of me just passing five accounts, starting them off horribly, like taking $1,000 loss, $1,500 loss, and then me trading slow, maybe recovering some of the account back, but ultimately just to end up giving it all back, which is what happened with my last accounts. I passed a set of five in September, and I had those accounts until like late October, honestly, like mid October. So I had those accounts for a while. Um, Damn, this is nice. Tapped into my entry again, and then push right up. That's beautiful. But but yeah, guys, I'm gonna continue this video. I'm gonna go to the gym. Um, yeah, this is the return. The return of flock trades. I can guarantee you guys that I'm gonna like be on a consistent posting schedule now, especially with the winter rolling around. because winter, bro. Yeah, it's time to lock the fuck in. I'm not gonna lie. Like bro, I was dead as debating like quitting this shit, and like I just knew like I can't, bro. I'm too deep into quit, man. Like I'm way too deep into quit. So so yeah, so yeah, man. Yeah, too deep in, bro. But alrighty, guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Um, Probably not gonna post the rest of my day, like the gym and shit. But yeah, this will do for now. This is the return. I'm gonna title this video the return. So yeah. Alright. Alright, my boys. Peace out.